well, I wasn't going to show this either, but you never know what I'm going to do next in my videos. I guess I'm going to get underneath the house. I'm kind of anxious to see how that worked out where I thought I saw bugs and stuff. So I'll grab my drill and take it on down there, and we'll see what's going on. Okay. Let's just keep the camera rolling. Rolling, rolling, rolling. Keep those doggies rolling. Okie dokie. Boy, that one hardly hit at all. I guess it didn't really hit, did it? Okay. I've got my extension cord here. I've got my light down in here. We're just... Oh, crikeys. Dabbity nabbit. Yeah, I gotta go back up here to plug the extension cord back in. I unplugged it on the wall. Be right back. I always have this thing to keep stuff unplugged when I'm not needing it. And geez, the weather has really changed. It's kind of cool today, and I even see a few sprinkles. Okay, come on, what you waiting for? Okay, let's see. I even left my nail bag down here and everything. Okay, this is the area right in here we sprayed. I sprayed that bay, and where all that black stuff was, remember? Right up in here. I don't see any creepy crawlers. In fact, when I scraped it all down, I didn't see any. But I had a little bit of stuff that I thought I saw some mold on some of this plywood from before. Remember, I scraped some of it off with my wire brush, swept it all out. Looks pretty good right now. Okay, I could just leave it like this and then come down here maybe 6 months from now, and I think I'm going to. I don't know. I might put some more spray on here, or do some spot spraying. But this wasn't really too bad, other than all that little black stuff around the edges, remember? And so this is underneath that other main deck area, and I might, like I say, I might just leave it like this, and I can crawl down under here 6 months from now, and I can see if the stuff starts growing back up in here. And if so, then I'd get the pest control company out here, have him come down and get underneath the house with me. And see, you walk through here, I can actually get up in there, and I can basically pretty much stand all the way through there. And if you, I don't know if you watch the, see there, look at that, it'll walk all the way way over there, along there, and I can just squeeze right back through this opening here. This one's a little bit lower, but hey, that's all you need when you're underneath a house and stuff. I raised this up is what I did. Okay, let me see here. This one's not that bad to get through. You don't need to do anything higher than this. See? Bye-bye. So I'll be fine. 6 months from now, the middle of winter, I can come down into this area here and I can bring my light because I just ran an extension cord through there. And then I can look at this area here, and I can also come outside and I can look out under here. Cause see, I can stand up. I'm standing up, and the reach up here is up there. So the 2x6 is going to be, the bottom of the floor is going to be about there. And so then I can just walk underneath here. I can check out all this kind of stuff. I can check for leaks, look and see how my handiwork is, and all that kind of stuff. So I'm good to go, and I don't know. I think I'll sprinkling now. I think I'm gonna grab all my stuff and take it upstairs or do something. I gotta shut this off. I could just unplug it right there and leave the light underneath there. Maybe I'll just do that. I can do that. I don't have to go back in there again. I only needed that to kind of show you it's still light outside. But see, you can still see a little bit in there, right? And so before I go back up, I'm gonna want to make sure to put this back in. And it only takes me a couple minutes. You know, this last screw wasn't hitting, and so now to get it out, see, on some long screws, the shank on it, the shaft, the first 3/4 of an inch, there's nothing there, so I've got it pushed in. And I think if I just push it on the stucco, now it'll come back. See? I'll have to put that one in at a more of an angle. It's all right. And this'll hold with only a couple screws. I just don't want any animals going in there. You know, don't make any assumptions. Until next time. So yeah, before I put the Hudson sprayer away, I'm going to rinse it out with water, and I'm going to leave a little bit of water in the bottom. I'm going to pump that back up, and I'm going to spray it through the wand to rinse that out as best I can. And I've got, as you can see, I've got 3 gallons of Clorox type bleach left, HDX bleach. And I've got a spray bottle. I'm going to end up putting a little bit in a spray bottle, so if I see any little areas that I want to think that, oh, maybe I'll just spray a little bit on here or whatever. I can. I don't have to do it with the Hudson sprayer on it anymore. That's because I don't want it to be shooting out all over the place and stuff. I just put it in a spray bottle and just do it that way, and then I can leave the rest underneath the cabinet for the washing machine. Okay, I don't have to take that back to the store. Now, what's my project going to be next time? You're going to have to watch this, and I'll show you all about that. I'm going to apply something on here, and I got it at the store, and the painter recommended it. Okay? Now there's different ways you can go about the project at this point. Is there a blueprint for exactly do's and don'ts, what to use, what not to use? Hey, just go to your local paint store, go to your local hardware store, tell them what you're doing, give them some pictures, show them some pictures on your cell phone of your project, and they'll give you some recommendations, because what I'm going to use may not be what a painter is going to use, may not be what another general contractor is going to do. There's probably 4 or 5 different ways you can go about this project at this point. Okay? This is what I'm doing. This is just one of them. So I'll explain that to you and show you all about it next time. Well, that's all I got for this time, but I'll be back with more videos.